Today we're thrifting for Anthropologie Dupes. Welcome to the Chic Show. Today's playlist is hosted by Lowly D's Creations, Lady Red Crafting, and Jody at Southern Seasons. All of their information and the link to the playlist is in the description box below. Anthropologie has the most beautiful things, but they also have very beautiful price tags. Today I'm thrifting for lookalikes to things that I have seen in the store or on the website. Starting today are these trays. There's marble, there's alabaster. I saw this little bath tray here and I found a dupe for it at Walmart, this little marble tray. Also, they had one at Dollar General, which is the one I'm using in my kitchen. It's the perfect little tray for my dish soap and hand soap.
For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it.
Anthropologie also has lots of beautiful lanterns. I liked these wicker lanterns here, and just so happens at Goodwill I found a similar item. It's a nice addition to the outside during the summer months or even the inside of my house to decorate for the spring and summer months. And here's my little friend Maverick showing you all about this lantern. There's a variety of artwork at Anthropologie, and this one in particular I really fell in love with and felt like I could dupe it on my own. When I thrifted this little frame, I thought it would make the perfect little shadow box. So what I'm going to use for this is a piece of foam board for the backing, and then I'm going to cut a mat out of cardboard, and I'm going to use this little cameo mold. I'm using some of Dollar Tree's stick-on wallpaper to cover the little mat that I cut out. Once I secured the paper to the back, I cut a slit in the front so that I could fold back the cutout part of the mat. Now I'm going to move on to the little cameo. I cast this in resin and I'm just giving it a coat of white chalk paint by Waverly. Now here's the foam backing put in. But I decided I wanted to paint the outside of the frame. I tried gold, I didn't like that, so I settled on black. Now I'm just adding all the parts to the frame, and I felt like it would be best to wait for the cameo until the very end so that I could get it placed directly in the center of that opening. I used some small pliers and added hot glue to the back of the cameo so that I could place it down in the center of that opening. I decided to accent her features just a little bit with some gold rub and buff. And here's an Anthropologie dupe for a couple of dollars. Some other artwork that I really liked were these colorful ones that look almost like ads in some cases. I thrifted this piece locally. I don't know what exactly it is or where it's from, but it was definitely old and I just fell in love with it. And plus the blue is perfect in my house.
I wake up and don't hate it.
Baskets are another thing that you'll see on Anthropologie's website, all the woven material in a variety of shapes and sizes. I liked this little metal basket, and I found something similar, although it's not metal. I found two of these in two different sizes. So I think they create a similar look. And if you're into the wood look like I am, you will find a variety of wood bowls, wood candle holders, wood containers, wood vases of all shapes and sizes. Here are a few wood pieces that I have thrifted recently.
For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it.
This piece is a piece that I glued together using a wood bowl and a wood pencil cup. Maybe you've noticed that cherries are very trendy right now on clothing, on home decor, on purses, accessories, all sorts of things. This little recipe box I thrifted quite a while ago, and I just think it's adorable. It has the original cards inside and everything, and it fits perfectly into this new little trendy theme. I really like the ruffled vases that Anthropologie has to offer, and fortunately I have a couple of pieces that are very similar to what you see in Anthropologie, but these are vintage pieces and they're family pieces. You'll run across things like this in antique stores. I believe this is a Fenton piece, both of these actually. The blue one was my grandmother's and the green one my son actually bought for me.
For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it.
The candle holders at Anthropologie are always fun. They show a lot of personality and you can find something for every taste. This blue one I found at Target. I think I paid $8 or $10 for it. The pink one I actually found at a garage sale, and it is Anthropologie. I think it's actually a vase, but you could use it as a candle holder as well. And then all of these wood pieces that you see here, I thrifted all of those from various thrift stores. These palm tree looking candle holders I saw in store, and I thrifted these that are ceramic, and they do have a made in Japan sticker on the bottom, and I thought they were a great dupe for the Anthropologie ones, and they're perfect in my bedroom. These candle holders here are very simple to dupe. If you have a hurricane vase or even a clear vase from Dollar Tree. I've had this little ceramic plate from the Target Dollar Spot for a couple of years, so I took it outside and I gave it a coat of gold spray paint.
For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it.
I've always been inspired by Anthropologie's vases, so anytime I am somewhere where I see something similar, I pick it up. This little vase I fell in love with, and although I couldn't find a heart-shaped vase, I did have a heart-shaped plate from the Target Dollar Spot and some rub-on transfers from Dollar Tree that I thought looked very similar. So I'm just going to apply these to this little trinket dish. And then I took it outside and gave it a coat of Rust-Oleum clear gloss. When I saw this vase, I thought I have something very similar that I have thrifted. Actually, two pieces that remind me of each other. This is a little candle holder, and although it's not white like the original piece, and neither is this vase piece, I really like the way these are originally, so I'm not going to paint them or anything. So even though that yellow flower is on there, I'm just going to turn it a little bit so that you only see the white side. I have run across several different clear vases similar to these, so they seem to be very easy to find. This one is on my kitchen island. This one is in my living room. Actually, a friend gave me this. It's was actually a water jug. And then this one I have in my bathroom. I have one other one here that I haven't really done anything with yet, but I do have it for when I need it. Blue and white floral patterns are very common in home decor these days. That's what I have in my living room for the most part. I used IOD's paint inlays to create this little box. I felt like these candles would be an easy dupe using a paper napkin and some Mod Podge. So I took one of my white candles and a paper napkin, and I removed one of the plies of the napkin. We're only going to need the printed side, and I cut it to fit my candle. I actually used DIY's liquid patina for this, but you could use Mod Podge just the same. So I just applied a strip of the liquid patina and then just rolled the napkin around my candle. I did add liquid patina to the top as well. I definitely would not burn this candle, but it's perfect for just home decor. I hope I've inspired you today to look at high-end websites and stores and see what things you like, and then look around your house, look at thrift stores, garage sales, and see if you can find something similar. It may not be an exact dupe, but you can find something similar. Don't forget to check out the playlist in the description box below. You'll find a lot of inspiration there as well. And don't forget to check out our host channels, Loli D's Creations, Jody at Southern Seasons, and Lady Red Crafting. Here's another video I think you might like. Thanks for watching. Bye now.